Steal me a TrackHawk. I already got my hub in there, you feel me? I'm about to steal me a TrackHawk. Gotta do that. Boom, unplug that. Unplug this one. Unplug the one in the back. People pulling in here, wondering what I'm doing. Stealing me a TrackHawk. This is the one I need. This is mine. This is the one that works, 700. I gotta take that one out. That nut out right there. That's one of, boom, trying to do this as quick as possible because I don't need nobody coming up to me, you feel me? One nut out. Boom, that was the furthest one. You need to get that one right there. Right there. Some free TrackHawk right here. You shitting me? They bugging out. They tripping. I ain't had to break no windows. This shit was unlocked. I just popped the trunk. I kid you not. I don't know who keys is those. My keys right there. 2 nuts. No diddy. It's coming out. Boom. Skadoosh. Bye. Mr. 700 himself. See that other one right there? Right there. Let's plug this in just to show y'all I'm about to slide. Come on. Oh yeah, we out. Oh, we out. This must be a used car or something. Hold on. We out. We out. If you really think I just stole this shit, you're an idiot. But make sure you subscribe to my video. I like it. It's dirty. Don't talk about how dirty it is right now. But this is her. 2018. She needs a watch. Let's go clock in. Be back to it, boys. Let's do it.